Hey everyone, welcome back to KD Sessions, your one-stop destination to explore everything from career tips, tech tools to real MNC experiences. And today's video is something a lot of you have been waiting for. We are going to unbox the official Infosys Welcome Kit. Yes, this is the same kit that Infosys sends to new joiners, whether you are a fresher or a lateral hire. And trust me, Infosys knows how to make a grand first impression. So, if you are joining Infosys soon or just curious about what it feels like to be welcomed by one of the India's top IT companies, so stay tuned, you are going to love this. So, let's open up this beautiful box and check out what is inside. And here we go. The first thing we have here is the elegant Infosys branded diary. The cover feels premium and durable. It is not just a regular notepad, it is well bound, smooth paced, and gives off a very professional vibe. Perfect for meetings, client notes, or even personal journaling. Next one is styling metal pen. Next is this beautiful metal pen again with Infosys branding. It has got a great grip and feels premium in hand. Infosys really focuses on attention to detail, and even their pen reflects the company's personality, simple, strong, and professional. And this one surprised me, a metallic card holder. It is super sleek, compact, and perfect for carrying your business cards or ID cards. I can totally see myself using this during client visits or conferences. Definitely a practical and stylish gift. Here is my favorite item, this matte finish tumbler. Whether it's a tea, coffee, or your morning detox water, this tumbler adds a classy touch to your desk setup. The design is minimal and modern, and yes, it is sturdy too. Now, this one is really unique. Infosys has included an augmented reality experience card. Using your phone, you can scan the card and experience 3D models of Infosys framework like Navigate, Innovate, Accelerate. Receiving this kit feels really special. When you join a new company, you are excited but also nervous. Small things like this kit make you feel seen, valued, and part of something big. Infosys isn't just onboarding you as an employee, they are welcoming you into a family. If you are interested in more behind the scenes look at life inside MNCs, you should definitely check out our other videos. We have posted a video on Infosys Chandigarh campus, Accenture Gurugram office visit, and many more. These videos will give you a real-life insights into corporate life. Links are in the description box and in the pinned comment. Also, if you are someone who is actively looking for a job in Infosys, Accenture, TCS, or any other MNC, we are here to help. We have created a dedicated WhatsApp community where we share job openings, resume trips, mock interview guidance, and motivation to keep going. It's completely free and we have already helped so many people land offers. The WhatsApp community link is in the description. Feel free to join and grow with us. So that was the complete unboxing and review of the Infosys Welcome Kit. A big shout out to Infosys for creating such a thoughtful onboarding experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more corporate insights, productivity tips, and job updates. And as always, all the useful links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.